So let me go ahead and introduce you to all the ingredients that I am using to make this simple, uncomplicated okra soup. Going from here is a beautiful grilled mackerel. This is mackerel that I grilled at home, and over on this side is my spinach. Now you can use any kind of leafy green vegetable of your choice, and the star of the dish obviously is okra. The okra is not a whole lot of okra, so I might end up not using all of this. I will see as it goes. If I need more, I will add more. I like a lot of vegetable in my okra soup. And then here I have my hot pepper, my hot scotch bonnet pepper. Here is 2 seasoning cubes. This is beef seasoning cubes. And over here, I hope you can see very well, this is called Uziza seed. I love to add Uziza to my draw soup, whether it's okra soup or whether it's ogbono soup. It gives it a very nice, unique taste. And my red oil, and also salt. So this, all you see here, you see, it's just a few ingredients. It's very uncomplicated okra soup. So I am just going to go ahead and prepare everything. I will debone the fish, and then I'll cut off my spinach, and also dice up the okra. You have to dice it up very nice in a small pieces. I will show you when I'm done cutting everything up. So in case if you don't have a food processor, or if you don't have one like this, you can manually dice up your okra. So I'm just going to show you how to manually dice it up. You take out this woody parts, just like so. So guys, I've gone ahead and added the deboned mackerel with pepper and water, and I'm going to just let it boil while I'm preparing the other ingredients. So what you have here is the pepper, the mackerel oil, and the mackerel juice, and that's it for now. And then I'll keep adding the ingredients as we go. Yeah, so this has been boiling for 10 minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and add the okra. So let me go ahead. It's not a lot. And now I'm going to add my red oil. you see that. Now if you like your okra soup to be a little bit thick, make sure that you reduce the amount of water that you add to it. I don't like thick soup. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my spinach, which is basically done once you add your spinach, because spinach does not take time to cook. I'm just gonna give it maybe like a minute to heat up, and it's done. Our soup is done. So now I'm going to turn off the stove, and spinach withers very quickly, so I'm going to turn off the stove and it will continue to cook. But there you have it, our soup, our simple, quick and easy okra soup is done and dusted.